Welcome to the first module of this course, and in this module we will be discussing about the business demand and opportunities in two ways. One, through what the global research reports say about the future of blockchain, and also top organizations, top technology firms, what they're up to in terms of blockchain. Yeah. So in this module, at least, you must be actually wearing the hat of an investor or a businessman and think in that way, because for you to understand the demand, it is best if you imagine yourself as someone who is having a lot of money, and you want to start a company which will be working on blockchain solutions. If you were in that scenario, what information you will be looking for in that manner, at least for this module. Yeah. So the business value add of blockchain. This report comes from Gartner, and the reports from Gartner are highly respected, and they have reports on many industries and many trends that are happening in business. So the research of Gartner on blockchain says that by 2025, the total value add of blockchain will be around $176 billion, and by 2030 it will reach up to $3.1 trillion. So what this value add means is, imagine you apply or you adopt a blockchain solution for a problem in your company, and you have realized a value creation. And if you have a money value for that value creation, how much that would be? That is value add, and that is the figure that you're seeing before, that is $176 billion, is pretty much the sum of all the money value of value creation that could possibly happen by 2025, and the value of that is $176 billion. So that could be cost savings, new customers acquisition, and exploring new markets through blockchain, and many things. Yeah. And this report is from Deloitte, and this report is in a different flavor, in the sense it focuses on the kind of application areas, the potential application areas that blockchain has. And you may see there are plenty of application areas, not just in finance, it is also in IoT, Internet of Things, games, and workflow management, healthcare, insurance, and many aspects. So this gives another version of what the potential of blockchain is for the businesses. Now let's get into what IBM does in terms of blockchain. And IBM has two kinds of offerings. One is their cloud platform. IBM Cloud itself has an ecosystem for blockchain development. In addition to that, they themselves offer blockchain solutions for organizations. One classic example is that we discussed in the course introduction is the example of that organic orange. Yes, this is from IBM, and they did this for Walmart, which we will be discussing in detail when we go to the third module. Yeah. So this from Linux Foundation. Linux Foundation has started a project called Hyperledger project, and this project enables the developers to enjoy a platform to develop blockchain solutions, which means if you are a blockchain developer, you will have all the tools and frameworks to develop a blockchain solutions and plug into your client's ecosystem and see the results. That is what they do. And IBM and Hyperledger have a very close partnership in terms of developing solutions. In fact, all the IBM solutions will have Hyperledger as a platform for development. Microsoft Azure Cloud has again provided an ecosystem through their cloud platform for blockchain development, which means the ecosystems I'm talking about will be like specially made for a blockchain case, which means in terms of storage or file system or system settings, all these will be in the cloud platform, and the developers can go there and make use of it to create solutions. Amazon, again, through their Amazon Web Services AWS, they have rolled out a special wing called Amazon Managed Blockchain, and this is again a cloud-based, blockchain solution development ecosystem. Coming to Cisco, see, they are in a different league where they are the networking layer, which means they are the people who will help us to, uh, carry the data from one point to the other. Now, the role that Cisco plays is very interesting in this, because when the blockchain itself is going to be unique, and if 5G is going to be in the future, there will be more and more potential, and their devices has to support such kind of adoptions. So when Cisco Live, which is their annual event, happened in June 9, 2019, a blockchain solution was actually demonstrated, just to prove that if any organization has a blockchain adoption, their devices are there to help. Oracle, very much similar to what Microsoft Azure does, they also have their cloud platform along with development framework. SAP, I'm sure this is a buzzword across all the organizations when it comes to technology, because this technology is used uh, almost in all manufacturing industries, uh, and SAP HANA is the SAP's reporting tool, and this supports a blockchain service. In case any organization that has SAP as a technology for their ERP purpose, and if they want to add a blockchain solution to their business, SAP HANA will beautifully work with it for creating analytics and reports. So this is how the business scenario is, and the opportunities are there. The purpose of actually bringing this to this course is to create a sense of excitement, and importantly, when you see the kind of organizations that are working on blockchain, you will also understand that one, they want to make use of the opportunity that is available, and number two, they also have sensed that their existing customers, and if they move to a blockchain solution for a certain purpose, they must be in a position to support that. So for two reasons, these organizations are actively working on this. So this is another good news for you as you are learning blockchain.